Reasons for breastfeeding from one side only. Number 1, baby's preference. Some babies may prefer one breast over the other because it produces more milk, has a faster flow, or is easier for them to latch onto. Number 2, breast milk supply imbalance. One breast may produce more milk due to differences in stimulation or natural variability between breasts. Number 3, anatomical differences. The shape or size of one nipple or breast may make it easier or more comfortable for the baby to latch. Number 4, discomfort or pain. If the mother experiences pain, such as from mastitis, a cracked nipple, or a blocked duct, she may subconsciously avoid feeding from the affected side. Number 5, baby's physical issues. Conditions like a tight neck muscle, torticollis, or a preference for turning their head to one side can lead to the baby favoring one breast. Number 6, breastfeeding habits. If one breast is consistently offered first, it might become the preferred side due to higher milk production. Number 7, infection or illness. An infection in one breast can lead to changes in milk taste or texture, causing the baby to refuse that side. What to do? Number 1, offer the less preferred side first. Start feeding on the side the baby avoids when they are hungriest, as they may be more willing to latch. Number 2, adjust breastfeeding position. Experiment with different positions, such as the football hold, to make the less preferred side more comfortable for the baby. Number 3, express milk pump or hand express milk from the neglected side to maintain supply and relieve engorgement. Number 4, switch sides during feeding. Begin feeding on the preferred side, then switch to the other side after the letdown reflex. Number 5, stimulate milk supply. Use a breast pump to increase milk production in the less preferred side. This can make it more appealing to the baby. Number 6, treat any maternal discomfort. If pain or infection is the issue, seek medical attention for conditions like mastitis or nipple damage. Number 7, use skin-to-skin contact. Hold your baby close to the less preferred breast to encourage familiarity and reduce aversion. Number 8, relax and be patient. Avoid forcing the baby to latch on the less preferred side, as this can lead to frustration. Thank you so much for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips.